So this happened. Just minutes ago I installed the latest Android 12 Beta 2. Alright, and I want to share with you guys all the things that I managed to find. This video I'm doing at about almost, see midnight. Just because I want to be one of the first showing you all the new and exciting things I managed to find. And yeah, there are really many. So we're going to be starting first with the discovery that I made immediately when switching the phone. When I switched the phone, I immediately got this message here. Enhanced notifications. Suggested actions and replies are now provided by enhanced notifications. Android adaptive notifications are no longer supported. Of course, I was eager to understand what this means, so I clicked here learn more. Then immediately this message was displayed. Enhanced notification replace now Android adaptive notifications in Android 12. So, okay, this is going to be the future of notifications. This feature will show suggested actions, replies, and organizes your notifications. The enhanced notifications can access notification content, including personal information like contact names, messages, also dismiss or respond to notifications such as answering phone calls and controlling do not disturb. So I think Google is taking a more AI approach in the notifications, you know, the great job they are already doing with the Google phone and the dial. Everybody had the chance to use this one. Call advertisements, you know, you get some people trying to sell you stuff. Google can directly shut them off, and now they probably bring this also to notifications. So I think they want to make this management a bit more clever, which I welcome. So this is the first thing I kind of learned. Now we're back to the home screen, and the second big discovery I made was, okay, second and third was this. Let me show you. So see, this is right now my background. See the volume bar, right? Remember when I did the last video, I told you Android 12 is really brown. Now they redesigned again the volume panel, right? But they also did another thing. But first about the volume panel. If we open the volume panel and click here, we're gonna get presented with something we already know from One UI 3, which is kind of not really what I expected. I was really more in favor of the previous style where we have like all these big bars, because again, I told this also in my previous video, it's just easier to navigate. But the other interesting part is, see the colors? They match. Yes, you got it right. The so-called finally material redesign came with Android Beta 2. Let me show you. I'm going to change my wallpaper, okay? So hold the finger like this. So let's just press here, okay? Another new surprise. It used to be style and wallpaper, now it's wallpaper and style, right? So they just shuffle it around, okay? Now let me go for something, yeah, just like this, blue, all right? I'm going to set this now on the home screen and also on the lock screen. Boom! Absolutely matching the colors, right? Now, for some reason, sometimes it also works here on the quick settings. So you can see right now I have quick settings that are aligned with my wallpaper. And if I also go and I choose the dark theme, this hopefully also is going to be aligned. So you see that the dominant color is the blue color. But let's do another test. I'm going to now go to wallpaper and style, and I'm going to choose something really screaming. Okay, this one. This is very screaming wallpaper. Home screen, lock screen. All right. Let's check the volume rocker. Boom. Voila. Changed. Let's also check here. You see, everything changed. And you know, this is really very subtle, very tiny design. I really like this one. I really like this one. I did a video about theme park running on Samsung S21. You know, Samsung thing. Some of the other companies already have this, so it's really good that Google are bringing this. Now, even the dark theme is aligned with this, you see? So all the quick settings are changing with the lila color. All my notifications here, the shades, go with this lila color. I think that's great. That's not bad. All right, so this is one of the discoveries that I made so far. Another thing I've seen is the one-hand mode. See, animation used to be very quick, like almost you did something, it's so quick you don't know what happens. Right now, they kind of slow it down, right? So now it's a bit more bearable, I guess, more easy to use, right? Some of the other settings, here we have a button called Internet, and I don't recall the way it was called, but it was not called Internet. When you click here, right, you see Internet, and then I have my Wi-Fi network, and then I have settings, right, which hopefully will guide me to all of my other Wi-Fi networks. Settings, okay, nothing happens for some reason. Let me just show you something in the settings. If we do like this, when we go into settings, they brought the description now of the big menus. In the previous Android 12 beta 1, we just had like network, internet, but then we didn't have like Wi-Fi, mobile, and etc. So this here, I think, is really very precious. Something I also noticed, very, very fancy. Now pay attention, I'm gonna start my camera. Just look what's gonna happen here. Starting camera, right, boom, okay. Indicator that you're gonna be using the camera. Go to video mode, all right. See, there is this blue dot. See this blue dot? It's a green dot, sorry. It's a green dot, but you see where I'm going with this one. And let me now open the sound recorder. So I'm gonna open the sound recorder, okay? Nothing yet. And I start recording, see here, boom, microphone is being used. And, you know, I know Apple kind of has this already into iOS 14, but I'm very happy to see that Google are also bringing something like this. They also put a new privacy dashboard, alright, and I think also the animations are updated. So see how I'm unveiling my quick settings, okay? See what happens here? I'm not sure. I think that's a bit new. Right? I'm not sure about the opening animations. Some people say that the opening animations are kind of new. I don't think they are, right? Well, let's try to play something from Spotify, because the player is redesigned. Right, so, okay, what is this? I even don't know. Okay, let's play some relaxed jazz here. Okay, I'm gonna play this one. Alright. See here, when I do like this, see? This looks absolutely different. This was not the case in the previous version. The whole player feels a bit smaller, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna also try to lock my phone and try to see how the player looks. Yeah, on the lock screen is the same. This is redesigned. You can see a very big icon here on the album, and you can just see a tiny icon on exactly the application, which in this case is Spotify. All right, I don't know. It's really cool, guys. I think they're really changing things with every version, making this really very, very user-friendly. And I like where this is going. Right, now here we have the Google Fit. Oh, let's see if the Google Fit is changing. Let me just go here, right, put another wallpaper. Okay, what should I do? Let's go and choose, for example, that one. Okay, I'm gonna do like this, home screen, lock screen. Now we have everywhere the lila color. Now first check here the volume, all right, okay, volume is aligned. Then check also the quick toggles. Yeah, now you see, quick toggles, I don't think that they are aligned. And if we go here, I think this the color change indeed, right? So great work, every beta bringing us closer to hopefully what a more stable product will be. Let's see some notification actions. I have somebody writing me. Okay, if I keep my finger here and hold it, all right, I can silence it. I can go set default settings. I can turn off the notification. Okay, so let's just go default, all right. And I think the enhanced notifications, I show this to you guys. If I press OK, I'm going to dismiss this menu. But yeah, final thing I want to show you guys. Let's go now here into the settings and let's search for this privacy dashboard. Okay, privacy. All right, where are you? It's a Pixel 3a, sometimes it's slow. All right, so we have here privacy. Let's click privacy. Privacy dashboard. Show which apps recently used permissions. If you are being a fan of my channel, and you know I did a video about Xiaomi already doing crazy wonders with privacy. I think they're even beating Xiaomi, are even beating, yes, they are beating Google, they're probably also beating Apple, and they're of course also beating Samsung. But I'm happy to see that at the end now Android or Google are really trying to pave the way for something like this. So you have locations, you have the microphone, you have the camera. It is presented in a very nice way. So location is used by 3 applications. Yeah, it does pretty much look like the Xiaomi implementation, but here I think they have a different visualization, which I think is better. The Xiaomi is more used like this. You can just see this with the timestamps and the actions. But you know, Google is Google, so I mean, they really know how to do things right. So you have permissions like body sensors, calendar, etc. Oh, okay. And what happens? Are those things clickable? Not really. What happens on the hamburger? Show system. Oh, okay. Also the system or permissions. Let's go back. Let's open it again. Okay. No, these are not clickable, but it gives a nice indication what exactly has been used at what level. So camera, you see here we have the timestamp, you have the application that used the camera, and you can of course press manage permission, and you can do some other things. And by the way, check my video about the Xiaomi privacy. I think they're really killing it. So guys, I think in a nutshell, those are the main things that I was able to find. Let me just do one more test before I call it off for today. I'm gonna go to the dark theme and I want to see if this ripple. Oh, okay. Now see, now the material redesign kicked in. Okay. But why did I went to the dark theme? Because I want to see if this ripple effect. Yes, the ripple effect is still there. You see, people are hating it. They think it's a bug, but I love it. Okay, you see here, when you select something, you get this ripple effect. Let's see the toggles. Okay, toggle. Oh, they redesigned the toggles as well, and now Wi-Fi is called internet for some reason. Yeah, nah. I like the old toggles before, you know, like the big toggles were a bit better. So, okay, they are indeed still playing with the design. One final check I want to do, I'm gonna go to home settings, see if there are any new things, new grids and etc. Okay, just go one more time, wallpapers and styles, right, grid options. Okay, still default stuff. Guys, this was everything I was able to find in the latest beta 2 of Android 12. It is almost 12 o'clock in my country, so if you appreciate the effort, you might want to subscribe for my channel. Gonna be deeply happy to see you doing this. Please stay safe and we're gonna catch up hopefully very soon in one of my next videos. With that said, VST over and bye.